Increasing automobile use have given rise to an increase in global tire waste generation. Due to that, millions of waste tires discarded and cultivated throughout a serious threat to the ecological environment. In the world perspective, it is estimated that each year there are 1,000 million waste tires in 2030. And is expected to increase to 1,200 million and could reach up to 5,000 million annually. It is quite likely that this figure will shoot up as the demand for tires is increasing every year. Particularly in countries like the US, Japan, European Union, Australia, South Africa, and South Korea, where the usage of automobiles is greater, the generation of scrap tires is expected to increase. In Malaysia, an estimated of 8.2 million or approximately 57,391 tons of tires reach the end of their useful lives every year. If these tires are not managed properly, they create economic, health, and environmental issues such as taking landfill space. Malaysia has enacted legislation that restricts or even bans the disposal of tires in landfills under the Environmental Quality Act 1974, Act 127, causing fire hazard. Although waste tires cannot be ignited easily, when ignited, they are difficult to extinguish. Toxic gases from tires composition will release, which are prone to cause cancer and mutation disorder. Breeding sites for mosquitoes. Mosquitoes, in fact, are the carriers of many dreadful diseases like dengue, chikungunya, elephantiasis, and malaria, as well as viruses like Zika. That illustrates the seriousness of improper waste tire management. However, there are some methods to manage waste tires that providing environmental friendly solution to save this waste from creating harm. Recycling. The entire process of recycling tires is typically called tire pyrolysis. This is a process of thermal decomposition of organic substances without oxygen or oxidizing substances. The pyrolysis refers to the process of the scrap tires are pyrolyzed into oil under high temperatures of 300 to 700 degrees Celsius. The pyrolysis of tires produces four products: gas and pyrolytic oil, steel wire, and carbon black. The process begins with the placement of the scrap tires into the pyrolysis chamber. The door to the chamber is closed and the chamber is heated. As the rubber heats, two chemical changes occur. Approximately 55% of the mass of the tires is converted to a gas that exits the chamber through an airlock pipe. About 35% of the tires turn into a form of carbon char that exits the chamber through an airlock at the bottom of the unit. The gas passes through a cooling system where 35% of the original tire mass condenses as tire oil. It passes through a filter and is used to fuel the furnaces that generate heat for pyrolysis, and also fuels a generator that produces electricity for the plant and for sale to the grid. After the chamber cools, the steel wires from the tires are removed through the main chamber door. The pyrolysis oil can be widely used as a fuel oil in industries such as steel and cement factories, boiler heating, and heavy oil generator. Even though this process required high initial cost, for economic reasons, pyrolytic oil is usually considered as the most easily sellable product on the market. Thus, pyrolysis process is recommended in managing waste tire to preserve a better environment for our future generation.